Welcome to the Vibration for Meditation YouTube channel. In this video, I share with you about the law of attraction. What exactly is the law of attraction? According to the law of attraction, a person's life will manifest great consequences when they think positively, while negative ideas will have the opposite effect. It is predicated on the idea that good energy attracts success in all spheres of life, including health, money, and relationships. Thoughts are a kind of energy. These grand declarations raise the question: is the law of attraction real? Despite the fact that novels like The Secret have made the law of attraction more popular recently, it lacks scientific support for its assertions, and is widely regarded as a pseudoscience. In essence, your experiences are a manifestation of the energy of your ideas. Positive events result from positive thinking, and vice versa. Advocates contend that the law of attraction is based on few fundamental, universal principles. 1. Like attracts like. According to this law, objects that are similar are drawn to one another. It implies that people prefer to attract those who are like them. But it also implies that comparable outcomes are attracted by similar thinking. Positive thinking is thought to generate good experiences, whilst negative thinking is thought to attract undesirable events. 2. Nature abhors a vacuum. According to this law of attraction, clearing out the bad things from your life might allow room for more good things to enter. It is predicated on the idea that it is impossible to have a mentally and emotionally empty area. The proponents of this ideology contend that since something will always occupy this space, it is crucial to fill it with positive. 3. The present is always perfect. There are always things you can do to make the present moment better. According to this law, despite the fact that it may appear as though the present is inherently faulty, this law suggests that you should put your efforts towards discovering methods to improve the current situation rather than experiencing fear or dissatisfaction. You may perform a variety of things to apply the law of attraction to your own life, such as: be thankful. Think about your objectives in this way. Consider the situation's advantages. Learn to recognize negative thought. Use uplifting statements. Put a positive spin on unpleasant occurrences, even if there might not be a quick fix for all of life's problems. The law of attraction can teach you how to have a more upbeat attitude on things. Additionally, it could keep you inspired to keep pursuing your objectives. 1. Relationships to achieve your relationship goals. You might make advantage of some aspects of the law of attraction. Increasing your awareness of the factors that could be preventing you from bringing love into your life is one approach to do this. You can start taking actions to address your concerns. If you find that things like a fear of vulnerability prevent you from developing great love relationships, positivity in your approach to relationships may lead to the development of stronger bonds. 2. Work. You may utilize the law of attraction to help you succeed in your professional endeavors. The trick is to use your long-term objectives to create precise, real adjustments in the present. That will help you take steps toward your goals, despite the common misconception that thinking positively about your job aspirations would automatically bring about positive improvements. For instance, wishing for more compensation is insufficient. You may take initiatives that will pay off in the future, such as seeking promotions, pursuing a new career, or even obtaining valuable skills. The law of attraction states that channeling your energy in a favorable direction will result in positive changes in your life down the road. 3. Money. Making financial improvements in your life demands taking baby steps and moving forward steadily. It's crucial to evaluate your financial situation and make objectives for what you want to accomplish both now and in the future, rather than just wishing for more. People are urged by the law of attraction to change their perspective from one of scarcity to one of plenty. Practice being grateful for what you have rather than dwelling on what you lack. By doing this, you'll be more ready to pursue your financial objectives and take advantage of the chances that come your way. Despite the dearth of scientific evidence, proponents of the law of attraction contend that it may bring about beneficial changes in a person's life. People may profit from this philosophy for the following reasons. Spiritual effects. Given that it appeals to people's spirituality, the law of attraction could result in results. Numerous health advantages, including less stress, improved health, decreased despair, and improved general well-being, are associated with spirituality. Many people think that this way of thinking works by bringing God or the cosmos into alignment with our desires. According to this idea, all humans are composed of energy that vibrates at various frequencies. Because of this, it's crucial to alter the energy's frequency by thinking happy thoughts, especially ones that emphasize thankfulness for what we currently have. The law of attraction works by attracting good things into our life. When we think and feel gratefully, positively, and by concentrating on our goals rather than our disappointments, the things we draw to us depend on where and how we direct our attention. But we must have faith that it is now ours, or will be in the near future. Another beneficial effect is better well-being. Applying the law of attraction may also have beneficial effects on mental health. We tend to take more chances, see more opportunities, and be more open to new possibilities when we are focused on creating a new world and believe it is feasible. On the other hand, we tend to miss opportunities when we don't think something is within our horizon of possibility. We act in ways that undermine our prospects of happiness when we think we don't deserve wonderful things. We can change the bad patterns in our lives and replace them with more constructive, fruitful, and healthy ones by altering the way we talk to ourselves and how we feel about life. When wonderful things happen, one after another, a person's life might change from spiraling downward to upward. The idea that altering your self-talk might transform your life in a good way forms the basis of many types of therapy. The foundation of cognitive behavioral therapy, a popular and successful treatment for many disorders, is the notion that recognizing and altering habitual negative beliefs may have beneficial consequences and assist individuals in achieving greater mental wellness. These are the few tips for practicing the law of attraction. You may learn how to use the law of attraction in your own life by doing a few activities. Some suggestions are: 1. Writing down your ideas in a journal will help you become more aware of your thinking patterns, so you can determine if you gravitate toward optimism or pessimism, and learn how to change destructive thought habits. 2. Creating a mood board, make a visual reminder. That will help you stay motivated, think positively, and keep focused on your objectives. Work on accepting things as they are instead than focusing on what is wrong with the present or what has to be changed. This only means that you won't get bogged down by wanting for things to be different right now. You will still work for a better future. 3. Set a goal to speak positively to yourself every day. If you suffer with having an overly critical mindset, this can get much simpler over time, and you might discover that it becomes increasingly difficult to keep a pessimistic outlook. Now, we see some issues with the law of attraction. One issue with books like The Secret and certain people's interpretations of the law of attraction is that they imply that all it takes to get whatever we want is a conviction that wonderful things will happen to us, without any form of action supporting that belief. Optimists achieve such outstanding success in their life. Because of their proactive habits, which are motivated by their positive outlook. Optimists don't profit only from their views. It's the action those sentiments motivate that brings about genuine improvement. There must also be additional factors present for beliefs to influence conduct, including goals, mindfulness, commitment, motivation, timelines, challenges, support. The very real danger that people may begin to blame themselves for unfavorable events that are out of their control, like mishaps and injuries, job losses due to a financial downturn, or serious illnesses, is another issue raised by detractors of The Secret and other books about the law of attraction. Although we often have little influence over our environment, we do have power over how we react to it. In this way, the law of attraction may offer the positivity and proactive mindset necessary for perseverance in trying circumstances, but it must not be utilized as a means of self-criticism. You can get stronger as a result of how you respond to difficulties. When it fosters such power, the law of attraction may be helpful. However, it shouldn't be used incorrectly because it might make it more harmful than beneficial. I think. Now, you have some idea about the law of attraction. If you think that more facts should be included, please notice it in the comments section. And anyway, don't forget to share your idea with us, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.